Hiya guys. So yes, winter season is over and we thought we'd pull the boats out. That's the jet ski, Fletcher, Arrow, Picton and the Sunseeker S20. We love this thing. It's got a 3-litre petrol engine in it, Volvo engine. We've fixed it up slowly, got a new bench seat that we need to make fit. And yeah, Volvo stern drive. Just got the Evinrude on there for now, just in case the main engine breaks down. So I'm just welding up the cover at the minute. So obviously just welded a nut on there so we can put a bolt through and then clamp onto the, or clamp the U frames that go over the top so we can position it. We've got a couple of covers. We just need to source some sides. We got the bit that goes up and over the top down to the windscreen, so I need to make up a framework for that. So that's what we're doing today. Got my friend's outboard ready to go back on his boat later. The starter motor broke off that, so I've retapped it and repaired that. So yeah, start of the 2020 season. Everyone is isolated because of this coronavirus, so we've isolated ourselves in the field to play with the boats. What better day to do it? Put a bit of a floor in there. I need to paint it as well. Put a new steering system on the Teleflex type rather than the cable type. Mercury controls ready for the outboard. Got a few outboards that'll fit that. This one we picked up for free the other day. Trailer. I just put the old jet ski wheels on just because the others were so flat and perished. Yeah, fuel tank in the front. It's not a bad little boat for free. Jet ski doesn't run at the minute. That needs a computer on it. The control thingy hasn't got a spark basically. This one I've had for a while now. I paid £50 for the boat and £50 for the trailer, which was an absolute bargain. This one we're repairing slowly. There's Pip. Hi Pip. Good boy. Put a Ifat Williams knot. Evinrude, I think they are, the 3.5 ton hitch, so we got a decent hitch on it. Had to cut this section out here, but that wasn't doing a lot, I don't think. I'm going to perhaps support that straight up because that obviously came down. That came down here, so I'm going to perhaps put a bar between there and there. That I don't think it really needs that. There's plenty of support. I'll put that plate in just to support the middle section because they were welded up the top here. So I had to cut it about to get the handbrake mechanism there. And then we put all new axles there because the other ones are all cracked. I'm lucky we didn't break something. So yeah, we've just got a new braking system, new axles, brand new brakes. So got a patch of welding to do there, put a new plate on. And a patch there, so I'll plate that up. I'll put a long bit of bar on it like I have done this one here. So you put a long bar on it and then it takes a lot of the force. And yeah. So we love this boat though. Pip's chasing shadows, I'm chasing lights. "10 years old, but still a muppet. Good boy. You're a good boy, Pip." Yeah, then we got the truck. So I had to completely re-weld the chassis on this, or weld the chassis, 2 new cross members on the rear. Put a fuel pump on it the other day, inline fuel pump, because they don't come with one. Put some big knobblies on here. Put a new buck on it. This is the switch for the fuel pump. So yeah, put some big knobblies on here. put this new back on because the window smashed on the other one. Back window smashed when I was collecting logs. New buck. I left the tailgate off the old blue one because I preferred the Nissan badge. So yeah, I've got the Renault Traffic. I've got a BMW over the distance. We are currently building this shed. There's a free canoe, and I've got a transit van that I need to do a gearbox on as well. So yeah, they're the projects. Thanks for watching. If this video goes well, I'll try and get a few more uploaded.